Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Choo Choo Charles. Yeah,
AKA Edward the Man-Eating Train.
yeah. Wait. Oh, I said Choo Choo Charles. I meant Edward the Man.
Yeah.
Sorry guys. I meant that. I think I might be lagging.
I can see that.
Give me a minute. Okay, everything's perfectly fine. Not really perfectly fine, actually. Okay,
I'm just gonna leave and rejoin.
I'm mad.
Oh gosh, I can't leave.
Can't. You guys might notice Bowser's new name. You don't know who.
Don't worry about it. Oh, I'm loading.
You might not know who this guy might be, but he might be. What the hell? What the hell?
What?
My God. Oh my God. He's flying.
Wait, what?
Is this what the difficulty high is? It's just him flying.
Wait, what do you mean?
He was flying.
I think you're overreacting.
No, his arms were all over. It was all over the place, and it was in the sky flying.
Oh my god!
Why is he over here now? What the hell? He's upside down.
What?
He's inside of the train.
What? You know, I think I figured out why I can't join the server now.
Oh my gosh! Is it safe? Is he gone?
Is it safe, he says?
Oh my God! Help me! Yeah, I don't think I'm lagging anymore.
It's a peaceful day.
No, it isn't. I'm the only one alive.
Oh my god! I felt like he didn't even kill them, he just like pushed them off the edge.
Oh no! He's shooting at me.
Bruh. Okay, well, you're gonna have to join me.
What? Why?
I don't know. Technical difficulties, okay? Technical difficulties.
Yeah, I think this server is actually quite lagging.
You think?
It is thing.
Bro, I heard you say flying? What? And then he says, I think it's lagging, guys.
Oh gosh. Okay, we'll be right back. We'll be right back, guys. Hello, guys. We just came back from a quick little edit we had to do.
I died.
You weren't even in that part.
I was talking about the editing.
Shut up. Anyways, now that we're not in the server where Edward is flying.
Turns out the difficulty is like it says difficulty impossible. He just insecures everyone while flying.
No, that would be funny.
Imagine.
That would be funny. I'm actually not gonna buy that yet.
No, this game should add like armor.
Yeah, armor would be good.
Oh, guys. Oh, guys.
We left you behind.
Oh. Doesn't mean by low like as impossible.
That'd be insane. Turns out it's insane.
Everything in this game is insane.
Yeah, especially when Edward was flying. You know, we sacrifice this person. Nani?
We sacrifice you.
Okay, this guy.
Imagine not being on the military car.
I don't even know what the military card is.
Yeah. Oh gosh, Edward is coming. I'm glad he doesn't have that stupid machine gun.
Okay, so there was this AFK kid at Ow. And when I was saying sacrifice, I literally pushed him off the edge. Then
Oh
he.
my gosh.
But when I said Nani, he was like, he didn't even die.
Oh, Nani?
So yeah. Also, guys,
He's still there till this day.
No, he actually loaded back in. He was loaded correctly in. Hey guys, I'm here. I'm here, guys. I'm here.
Oh, this guy.
I jump off the edge.
That's a real psycho. Look at your skin.
Says the person who's a turtle. Turtleneck.
Oh, I saw the blood.
The blood that came out of your boy went into my mouth.
Your shotgun's out.
Get your guns out, then. Rip off my shirt.
Gets my muscles out.
You're not funny.
I'm going in.
That's stupid.
Oh, you're the stupid ones. Oh, he
just
isn't coming
ran
to you.
after us. How are we the stupid ones?
The guy who went down there is a stupid one.
Okay, don't waste your bullets, guys.
You know, if Edward was actually smart, he would go in front of the train and stop it, right?
No, I think the train would just honestly just ram him.
He's strong enough. Like, if he can destroy this train with his legs, then surely he could just turn like that in front of the train.
The front.
Like, kill the guy driving.
First of all, like, the front of the train is actually made out of metal, and these parts are actually made out of mostly wood.
Yeah, but kill the guy in the driver at least. Like, this windows.
No, I was gonna get a screenshot. No, stupid. Get back here! I need you as a screenshot! That sounds so dumb I'm shouting over to a spider-legged creature.
More like spider-legged freak. Oh,
He comes back, kills you.
he turns into impossible mode.
Ha!
Insta kills just me.
And it kills just you and just leaves everyone else. It's just like,
And then everyone laughs at me because I died on low.
hey, hey man, you jump
That's
off
happened
the
multiple
edge.
times.
You had to jump off the edge, man. Your stupid face. Commit to the
I'll
bit.
do it next round.
Commit to the bit, man. Commit to the bit.
Ugh. I'll do it next round.
Okay. Wait, what? Wait, you're actually going to?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
I can't disobey you.
Well, yes, I can kick you from these videos.
Is my shotgun out? What did you just say to me?
Gets my cock out. What'd you just say to me?
Okay, chill.
With the power of Bobucks, I cease thee to exist.
Huh?
Shut up, loser.
Me?
Shut up. No, this is why no one cares about you.
See what I have to deal with.
You see how ugly you are?
Don't say that to my ugly face like that.
You have an ugly face.
Don't say that to my ugly face.
I
He has
just...
feelings too, you know.
How ugly can your face get?
As ugly as you. Ah. Gosh. Means my face must be beautiful. Is your face is beautiful? Just... Let me out.
Oh my god,
Well-
Margaret.
Sayonara, cruel world.
I'm dead. We're dead.
You know what? I'm gonna let the man-eating train kill me.
Wait, what even are you? I want to witness this.
Onto the front of the train. Oh, I'm above you.
Okay, man. I see him. I see him. He's coming over here. I think he's after you. I think he's after you. Oh God, Ryzen. Wait, what? What? Huh?
Sayonara, cruel world. It was nice knowing you. Face to face.
Well, so it kind of died. So.
Please. Oh.
Oh, I heard it. But I didn't get to witness it.
You died before me, and I was trying to suicide. Wow.
Okay, to be fair, I somehow phased through the wall.
You probably broke it, then you walked into it.
Then why would the wall still be there? Oh. Wow, we both failed.
Bruh. Don't go into my path.
Don't go into my behalf.
You idiot. I had to go towards me.
dumb is it? What? What? Oh, now I understand. It's because he's doing the red light thing. I love... Yo, I love how I just figured that out.
Bro, it's impossible.
Nah. Okay, yeah, it's impossible.
These stupid like little studs. Oh, I think we started.
Bro, you gotta look at where you're jumping, but also at her.
Okay, well that's not hard.
Well, yes it is. Yes it is, like when you have a top hat and this title in front of your face. Bossy dog.
Oh, I tripped.
I pipped.
My potato.
It's just
My potato.
it's just a freaking potato.
My potato.
I didn't know you ate vegetables. I didn't know you
Is
ate.
that?
I didn't know you ate
Is that-
vegetables. I didn't know you ate vegetables. Okay, this is taking way too long, so we're just gonna wait.
Alright, it's gonna be the last round. Drifter.
Drifter, gifter, tifter, mifter, sifter, mifter, gifter, sifter, mifter, 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 mifter.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, that potato. Oh,
That's my potato.
Smell. Hey.
Even the potatoes with me.
What?
Wow, that's a small gun.
Well, I'll break this thing.
I'm reloading a bunch. Huh? Oh, they finally died.
No, it just arrived. They survived. It arrived. They survived.
Ah, I command you jump off the edge this time.
Will, when it gets to 1 second.
No one that gets to 10 seconds. Oh my god, we gotta wait another minute.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
Stick him up.
What did I do?
Stick him up.
What did I do, man?
Stick him up. No, you're fine.
What did I do? He just slowly turns to me.
What?
Oh, so now someone's a roll? Oh my gosh. Go.
Can we? Oh, we're going there next. Aww.
Huh?
Oh wait, no, that's just moderate. That's just the heart. That's just.
We're all ganging up on this guy. Even the potatoes with us.
Wait, maybe not. Wait, what's going on, guys?
Fire! Potato guy was here with his gun. So was that guy. And I was here.
Wall.
Nah.
He's just a freaking wall.
1v3.
1v3. Make that 1vp. Oh,
Alright,
no.
we'll try.
Oh no.
You know, I'm actually gonna die instantly.
I'm going. I was
Am I gonna see flying Edwards around?
probably not. I think that was just a one-time thing. Okay. I'm opening
It's
up.
the flying Edwards.
I'm opening up the.
Oh my gosh, it's 5 minutes now?
Yep, that's why it's hard. Okay, I'm getting rid of some ammunition boxes. Just saying.
You know what? I'm wasting all my bullets too.
You might have been able to see my corpse fly by.
Oh yeah, I forgot about Hard. He has like that thing in his... It is a flying Edward on Hard!
Wait, it is?
I saw a flying Edward and his legs were going crazy.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Hard as a flying Edward train. Ruth. Oh gosh, he's shooting at me.
Okay.
Swallow shampoo.
sorry
I'm
guys,
probably gonna die.
Sorry guys, I kind of died, so you won't get any
Ah!
content this year. Apart from me buying a gun.
Oh no.
If you call
He's
that
shooting.
content, then... If you call this
Can we
content...
call 911?
me buying a gun, then... Yeah, it's content.
He ran away?
What a bit
That's
of
quickly.
shotgun, guys. So we're gonna be ending the video here because there's nothing better to do, and this was a last round, and you can't really watch from lengths aside.
Come on, Potato, we got this.
So yep, goodbye,
tripped.
peace.